Hello everybody, this is man476, and today I have to announce I have 50 subscribers, which that's actually a big accomplishment, which I've made on my YouTube channel. So yeah, here we go, and this is the start of my 50th subscriber special. There are many jobs on the island of Sodor, like pulling the express, or pulling dynamite, or pulling the goods. Thomas pulls his coaches on his branch line, and Ryan pulls empty trucks to the coaling plant. At the sheds, the engines were busy chatting and having a conversation.
How come I'm such a small engine, Gordon, and you're big?
Isn't it obvious? You're such a small engine, and I'm a big engine.
How come I can't be a big engine?
Guys, take a chill pill. You guys don't have to argue who's big and who's small.
Fine, then I'm going away.
Is he gone now, Toby?
Yes, Percy. He is gone now.
Oh, Henry. Hey, what is wrong with you, Gordon? Why are you latching on to me? Well, it's your fault you were in the way, Henry. Goodbye, Gordon, and good riddance. Well, I'm glad he's gone. He was really messing with my brain.
How are you doing, Henry?
Yes, I'm doing just fine on this day, Emily.
What? Henry picked up his goods train and then puffed down the line to his next destination.
Well, I hope I don't, you know. Yeah, you know what that is. Oh, what a beautiful day. Puffing down the line. Oh! Ow! Ah! This has been a nice day, and then boom. I crash, and I hate it horribly.
Do you need some help, Henry? Here you go, Henry. I will help you back on the tracks. Ready?
I hope so.
Come on. Gotta pull, Henry. Come on. Come on. Oh, there you go, Henry. You're all on the tracks now.
Thanks, Toby. You're the best. You know what? I think I'll be good from now on.
You know what? That's a good idea, Henry.
And you know what? Henry did listen from now on, and he was as good as ever. Thanks for listening to our story. We hope you would subscribe, comment, rate, and like our videos. My engines and me will be very happy. So this is man476 signing off from this next episode. Let me show you something, Thomas. I got it in the shed, okay? Alright, I will wait. I promise I will wait. 1 minute 37 seconds later. Okay, now where's that surprise? Here it is.
What the heck is that?
It's your new clone.
I do not like it. Hello, brother.
I'm gonna get you.
Tom was hopping on the line. Then he saw Birdie crashed out on the track. What's wrong, Birdie? Are you okay? No, I am not. Is something coming? Yes! Kaboom!